Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Gordon Ramsay's lobster risotto. First, prepare your fresh lobster by blanching it briefly in boiling water, then carefully remove all the meat from the tail and claws. Sauté this succulent lobster meat in a pan with a knob of butter, a crushed garlic clove, and a sprig of fresh thyme until it's just cooked through. Set the perfectly cooked lobster aside for later. Next, begin building the risotto base. In a wide, heavy-bottomed pan, gently sauté finely diced shallots and a hint of garlic and olive oil until they become translucent and fragrant. Then, add 1 cup of arborio rice, toasting it for about 2 minutes until the edges are clear. Deglaze the pan with 1/2 cup of dry white wine, stirring until it is completely absorbed by the rice. Now, for the heart of the risotto, gradually adding the liquid. Begin by adding 1 ladle of warm fish or vegetable stock to the rice, stirring continuously. Wait until the liquid is almost fully absorbed before adding the next ladle. Continue this patient process for approximately 18 to 20 minutes, ensuring the rice slowly releases its starches, creating that signature creamy texture. Finally, it's time to finish and serve your exquisite lobster risotto. Remove the pan from the heat and vigorously stir in a generous knob of cold butter and 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Gently fold in your reserved, perfectly cooked lobster meat. Serve immediately, perhaps with a final drizzle of high-quality olive oil and a sprinkle of fresh chives for garnish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.